Any true hero I've ever met is very selfless.
Be humble, a role model.
Empathy.
They're compassionate, they care, and their heart is big, it's open to other people.
Passionate and compassionate for other people.
They're dedicated.
Gracious.
Determination.
Someone that's selfless, does things for others, not for themselves.
Self-sacrificing, they give when it does no good for them themselves. Maybe a greater good to the community, but it's someone that doesn't get a benefit immediately from what they're about to do.
To me, there's three key components of a true hero itself. To me, the first one is enlightened. I believe there's a lot of people on earth here that have a better spirituality, understanding what it means to be a positive driven person than myself or a lot of other people. Too many people focus on the rat race of life and they forget why we're here in the first place. The second one is committed, because I think the true hero is not somebody that just does a random act one time, gives a person $1 or whatnot, but a person that's dedicated and consistent and really focuses on that commitment to making a positive influence in somebody else's life. And I think the third one is humble. There is a lot of people up here that do things maybe for the wrong reasons, maybe to try to edify themselves. And I think a true hero is a humble person who tries to make a difference to somebody else just for that person.
I think a big one today are people who volunteer or coach.
Firefighters, police officers, people, they're putting their life on the line for complete strangers.
Somebody that mom with some kids, that Down syndrome kids that are going bowling, I wouldn't know. Is this something that's just a part of their routine?
Anybody in the military, school teachers, police officers.
Firemen, policemen, teachers especially. Think of all the teachers here that go above and beyond for students every day. Child care workers, people in the nonprofit sector.
In a lot of ways, it's the anonymous one. Yeah. It's almost the ones that we don't notice, the ones that we're walking by again and I wouldn't know.
Or they're doing it because they truly care about the people in their community. Whether it's children or pets or elderly, they're not looking for the thank you cards. They're just doing it simply to help the people in their community.